I want to show you something. This TikTok affiliate account that was created on March 12, 2024, pretty recently, a little bit over than a month, has 120 followers, and it generated 28,000 in revenue from affiliate videos in the last week. As you can see, it tells you the date range and it's the last 7 days. So basically this account is averaging 4K per day, okay? Which is insane. But you know what's the crazy part? This account is not posting any original videos. So he takes clips from other people's content, mix them together and puts them as a new original content, okay? He's not using AI, but he's putting very little effort to create this. And today we're gonna analyze how he does it, okay? And to do that, we're gonna use a program called Data, which will allow us to see exact numbers of how much money this account is generating, but also will allow us to download videos from TikTok without a watermark. If you wanna use Data, it's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. If you are thinking about starting TikTok affiliate, please use my link. It's an affiliate link, but you're gonna get a discount. It's a pricey software, so every discount counts, okay? You're gonna get 10% discount if you use my link. Okay, let's get to the video. So let's break it down what this person is doing, okay? He is basically posting 4 to 5 videos a day, and they're all TikTok product videos, okay? So he's always promoting something. For example, this video right here, it's just an 8-second clip, shows women wearing the nightcap to protect their hairs, right? 8-second clip, very short, very quick. There's nothing happening here besides the fact that there are ladies putting the nightcap on. And this video generated $8,000 in the last 7 days, okay? As you can see, this is the day range. $8,000, almost 500,000 views, okay? Here's another one, same idea. Bunch of ladies putting a makeup on, whatever that is. It's a moisturizer or something like that. It's a very short video. It's only 8 seconds. Simple stuff, okay? Again, this video generated 3,500, okay? You got almost 15,000 views. He is posting 4 to 5 videos a day, very short, okay? Less than 8 seconds long. I think he does it because algorithm tends to promote videos that have a high watch view, and a simple hack to get a watch time is to simply create short videos, okay? Because if the video is short, there's a high chance that people will just watch the whole thing. If the video is long, the chance of someone watching the whole thing is just lower. So this 8-second formula, it seems to be working for him, okay? The next thing that he does is that he always uses women videos and clips, because let's face it, women are just more attractive, so they will attract more viewers. But more importantly, majority of buyers on TikTok are females. They are the ones that are willing to spend more money on purchases, okay? Sorry ladies, that's just the truth, okay? So he's only promoting female related products, and all his content include attractive ladies promoting something, okay? And check this out, every video he posts gets like $700, $600, $500, $500, $300, 200, 200, 200, and they all adds up to the number of 30,000 a week, okay? So he's making about $120,000 a month, which is insane by just posting 8-second clips. So how is he doing that? First, he probably looks for a product that's blowing up on TikTok. If you have Data, that's easy to do. You just go to products, go to beauty and personal care category, because that's the female category. And he probably just browse what's out there and just look for popular products that are here, okay? I noticed that a lot of his products are apparel, clothes. So maybe he goes to women's wear and just look for popular women's clothing and just pick whatever it's out there, okay? Promoting big popular products as an affiliate, that's the best way to generate money, because if a product is already popular, it's gonna be easy for you to convince someone to buy it, okay? And it looks like this nightcap, it's something that he's really focusing on, and he creates a lot of ads with that one right now. So once he has a product, right? In our case, let's assume that he's making videos with this nightcap. He can just find other creators making content with the nightcap, and that's very easy to do with Data. So look, if I click on this content, right? On this content piece, I can see all the information about this video, right? But I can also see other people promoting it, okay? I can find other users making content with this product, okay? So check this out. What he does, right? He has videos that are averaging 8 seconds, and he usually has 3 ladies in it, okay? So each lady gets like 2.5 seconds pretty much. almost 3 seconds, okay? So if Calodata shows me similar videos, all I can do is just download similar videos with the same caps, okay? So for example, I can download this one. And the cool thing about the Calodata is that they will download the video without the watermark. So that's the key thing, because if you combine these videos, you need to remove any metadata so it doesn't goes back to the original creator. Otherwise, this method is not gonna work, and he knows that. He knows that he needs to remove that, okay? So with Calodata, I can download the video without the watermark. You see it's downloading right now, and see there's no watermark. I got the original video without the watermark, okay? So now I got one. So we need to find 2 more videos. I can, for example, get this one right here, right? I can just click on it and download this one, but I don't like this one because it has text. Ideally, you want to have one without text. So maybe this one right here, this one doesn't have a text, and maybe this one could be my third, okay? So now once I have all these 3 videos, I would get 2.5 seconds from each of them and just put them together in like CapCut or Premiere Pro or something in a video editor, and boom, okay, I have my video ready. But let's go back to our guy and see what else he's doing, okay? So another thing that he does with his videos is he's trying to put a big text that takes like 1/3 of the video, and I think he does that to kind of confuse the algorithm, so the algorithm thinks this is original content, okay? This is basically to like kind of trick TikTok. I think that's why he does it. I'm not sure. So he puts a big caption that usually references the product, okay? Usually it's something funny or informative, something that has a strong call to action. Sometimes it's like a POV text. So for example, here it's like a funny message, but also has a call to action that tells you that this product is now cheaper. It only costs $12. Here's another one that he also says the same thing. He's saying that this product is cheaper now. So long story short, he always tried to put a strong call to action because he doesn't have a lot of time. Since the videos are so short, he needs to inform the customer to make a purchase very fast, okay? Another thing that he does is that he removes completely the voiceover, okay? So the original voice from the video is removed. He removes them, okay? He doesn't keep the original sound. So whatever that lady was saying in this video, it's gone, okay? And once he uploads the video on TikTok, he's using like a famous remix of a very popular pop song to get extra eyes and attention from the algorithm, because algorithm will push the popular theme songs. You know what I'm saying, right? Also, ladies' products are usually associated with these like popular pop music, so it kind of makes sense to put those for these particular videos, okay? So that's how this guy does it, okay? If you want to use Calodata, you have a product link down below in the description of this video. Please use my link, not because I want to make money out of you, but I will make money out of you because it's an affiliate link. But it will give you discount, okay? It will give you 10% discount. That's why I want you to use it, because Calodata is pricey. It's a pricey software. So save that money, okay? If you want to join our dropshipping network, the Dropshipping Guild, go to dropshipping.com and you can talk to me, you can talk to other members, you can join our weekly meetings. We talk about Etsy, we talk about TikTok, we talk about a bunch of other stuff. Sometimes we have special guests. We just open a partnership program where you can connect with other members and linked up to start working on a business together, whether it's a TikTok shop store, whether it's an Etsy store, whatever it is. International community for people that want to work together. You're also going to get a bunch of courses and other stuff if you join our Discord. So go to the dropshipping.com, learn all the details. But that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Please follow me to stay updated on, secret sauce that we share here on this channel. But that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time. Take care.